Imagine bringing your ideas to life, layer by layer, turning dreams into tangible creations right at home. The right 3D printer transforms imagination into reality, sparking creativity, innovation, and excitement with every print. Whether for art, prototypes, or personal projects, owning the best 3D printer makes every creation feel magical, empowering you to craft your world your way. Number 1. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer brings an extraordinary sense of creativity and freedom into your workspace. Every project becomes a journey as you watch ideas take shape in 3 dimensions, layer by layer. Its quick assembly allows you to start printing faster, reducing the wait between imagination and reality. The auto-leveling system ensures smooth and consistent results, making each creation feel precise and professional. Direct drive extrusion empowers you to experiment with a wide range of materials, unlocking new possibilities for custom designs and personal projects. A PEI flexible platform simplifies model removal, transforming a once tedious step into an effortless and satisfying experience. The removable touchscreen adds a modern touch, providing intuitive control and seamless interaction with your printer. With a printing size of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, this printer lets you craft larger models without compromise, making ambitious designs more accessible than ever. Whether you are creating prototypes, artistic pieces, or personalized gifts, every print carries a sense of pride and accomplishment. This printer inspires confidence and excitement, turning complex ideas into tangible objects you can hold, display, or share. It transforms ordinary spaces into hubs of innovation, making every printing session an emotional and engaging experience. Owning the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer is more than just having a machine. It is about experiencing the thrill of creation, expressing your unique vision, and bringing your imagination vividly to life in a way that touches both heart and mind. Number 2. Creality High Combo 3D Printer. The Creality High Combo a 3D printer opens a world where imagination flows freely into reality, allowing every idea to take shape with stunning detail and vibrancy. Multicolor printing with continuous filament system brings projects to life in ways that feel magical, capturing attention and inspiring creativity. Every print becomes an immersive experience, sparking pride and excitement as your vision transforms into tangible form. The rapid print speed ensures that your concepts are realized quickly, reducing waiting time and keeping enthusiasm alive throughout the creative process. Almost completely pre-assembled, this printer allows you to dive into your projects without unnecessary delays, making the first experience smooth and satisfying. The XY step servo motor works silently and precisely, making each movement deliberate and accurate, enhancing the sense of control and mastery. Auto-leveling ensures each layer aligns perfectly, producing professional quality results that feel effortless. The generous build volume of 10.24 by 10.24 by 11.81 inches provides the freedom to create larger designs, enabling ambitious and complex projects without compromise. Every model you print carries a personal touch, reflecting your creativity and dedication. This printer transforms ordinary spaces into creative studios, encouraging experimentation and exploration. Using the Creality High Combo a 3D printer is more than a task, it is an emotional journey that connects imagination to reality, turning simple ideas into captivating creations that can be admired, shared, and cherished. It inspires confidence, pride, and a sense of accomplishment in every project you undertake. Number 3. Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer transforms creativity into reality, making every idea tangible and exciting. With a large printing size of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, it allows ambitious projects to come to life, turning simple concepts into impressive models that inspire pride and wonder. Almost fully pre-assembled, this printer removes frustration and delays, giving you the freedom to start creating almost immediately. Its fully open-source motherboard encourages exploration and experimentation, empowering you to test new designs and push boundaries without limits. The TMC2209 upgrade ensures smooth and quiet operation, making every print feel professional and precise, while the resume printing function brings peace of mind, allowing projects to continue seamlessly after interruptions. This printer offers a sense of accomplishment with each finished model, making creativity feel accessible and rewarding. Ideal for beginners, it transforms learning into an emotional journey, sparking curiosity and excitement as every layer builds upon the last. Each print becomes more than a project, it is a reflection of imagination, patience, and personal expression. The longer LK5 Pro 3D printer turns ordinary spaces into creative hubs, inspiring confidence and motivation with every session. Owning this printer means holding the power to shape ideas, bring visions to life, and enjoy the thrill of creation with every project completed. It invites you to experience the joy of producing something meaningful, tangible, and entirely your own, making every moment spent designing and printing deeply satisfying and memorable. Number 4. Creality Ender 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3D printer invites you to transform imagination into reality, turning ideas into tangible creations that inspire pride and excitement. With a generous build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, it allows you to bring intricate designs to life, making every project feel personal and rewarding. Fully open source, this printer encourages exploration and creativity, letting you experiment with new concepts and push the boundaries of your skills. The resume printing function provides reassurance, allowing interrupted projects to continue smoothly, reducing frustration and maintaining motivation throughout the creative process. Each layer of a print becomes a testament to patience, dedication, and innovation, transforming ordinary moments into a satisfying journey of creation. This printer makes complex designs approachable, empowering users to experience the joy of producing objects that can be displayed, shared, and cherished. Owning the official Creality Ender 3D printer turns every workspace into a hub of innovation, sparking curiosity and enthusiasm while nurturing confidence in your abilities. Every project feels like a personal achievement, providing a sense of fulfillment as your ideas evolve into real, visible objects. It inspires creativity and emotional connection with each printed model, making the process as meaningful as the final result. By engaging with this printer, you enter a world where imagination, innovation, and personal expression converge, transforming thoughts into physical reality with precision, joy, and satisfaction. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max 3D printer transforms creativity into reality, allowing ideas to take shape with stunning precision and detail. Its large build volume of 420 by 420 by 480 mm enables ambitious projects to become tangible creations, turning every concept into a visible and impressive model. Fast printing speed brings ideas to life quickly, keeping inspiration alive and excitement flowing with every print. The ability to support high temperatures encourages experimentation with a variety of materials, inviting users to explore new possibilities and push boundaries in their designs. Auto leveling ensures every layer aligns perfectly, creating smooth and professional results that feel satisfying to achieve. Direct drive extrusion provides consistent and reliable performance, making the printing experience effortless and enjoyable while giving users confidence in every project. Each model produced becomes a reflection of imagination, dedication, and personal expression, allowing creators to experience pride and accomplishment as their visions materialize. This printer turns ordinary workspaces into hubs of innovation, encouraging exploration, creativity, and experimentation in every session. Using the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max 3D printer makes complex projects approachable and deeply rewarding, transforming ideas into physical objects that can be admired, shared, or displayed. Every print feels like a personal achievement, evoking emotional satisfaction while fostering confidence and motivation. Owning this printer means holding the power to bring visions to life, turning imagination into reality in a way that inspires, engages, and delights with every creation.